My video guide today will give you instructions to get rid of the ransomware that is called ABC. I will also demonstrate to you what happens with your files after this ABC ransomware starts encrypting them. The ABC ransomware, by the way, belongs to the special family called CryptoWall. So before the ransomware attacks the files, you are able to open them without any complications. You will be able to open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other data without any troubles. But this is what happens after the ransomware enters the computer and starts encrypting your information. You will soon discover that the ransomware actually attacks your files and you are no longer able to access them. You will have a special extension added to the files, and because of that you will not be able to open them, and this is the scary alert that says that your files got encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to get your information restored. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. So the ransomware is called ABC because it adds the special extension called ABC to the file that has been encrypted. And removing the extension ABC unfortunately does not decrypt the file, and you are still no longer able to open the file. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. We strongly advise that you immediately seek for the solution to remove this ABC ransomware as soon as you can. We recommend you to go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. You will get the special program that will help you to remove this ransomware. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Download it using this green download button. After you download the software, start the application, and it will help you to detect this ABC ransomware and to remove it effectively and to protect your files from being encrypted in the future. Once you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected, or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.